You just did it. You made your first investment, and now you're staring at the screen, waiting, and nothing. No confetti, no alarm, no sign that anything in the world changed, just a number, sitting there, completely still. That silence, that is the most important moment in your entire financial life. And what you do inside it determines everything that comes next because you've been told a story about investing, charts, stocks, crypto, timing the market perfectly. And that story made you feel like investing wasn't for you yet, like you needed to know more first, earn more first, be ready first. But here's what nobody told you. Investing is not an event. It's not a moment of perfect timing. It's not something you do when you finally feel ready. Investing is a process, and the moment you put that money in, you didn't just invest money, you invested time, and time is the only ingredient that cannot be bought back. Now, let me show you what's actually happening inside that silence. Right now, without you doing a single thing, your money is beginning to earn. Not a lot. Not yet. Maybe just cents. But those cents earn cents, and those cents earn more, and those earn more still. This is called compounding, and here's what makes it different from everything else you've been taught. It doesn't care how you feel about it. It doesn't need your attention to work. It doesn't wait for you to be confident. It doesn't stop because you're scared. It just works while you sleep, while you're at work, while you're just living your ordinary life. But I need to prepare you for something because there will be a moment, maybe next week, maybe next month, where you open that account and it will look like nothing is happening, and every part of you will want to stop, to pull the money out, to do something, anything. Hear this clearly. That feeling is not a warning. That feeling is the test. Because, wait, because you build real wealth not by feeling excited every day, but by staying in the system on the days it feels like nothing is happening. Waiting is not passive. Waiting is not giving up. Waiting is the most active financial decision you will ever make. Now, do this with me for a moment. Picture a Tuesday morning, not a Monday. Everyone imagines a Monday. A Tuesday. Quiet, ordinary, unremarkable. You wake up without an alarm. Not because you're on holiday. Not because you called in sick. Because you don't have to be anywhere you didn't choose to be. You pick up your phone, and instead of checking what you owe, you check what your money earned while you slept. There's no tight feeling in your chest this morning. No mental calculation of whether this week is going to be okay. No quiet dread sitting behind everything. Just options. And you think one thought, what do I want to do today? Not what do you have to do? Not what is expected of you? Not what keeps the bills paid? What do you want? That Tuesday morning is not a fantasy. It exists, and the only thing building it right now is a system running quietly in the background, starting from a number that felt almost too small to matter. So sit with two questions and actually answer them. Don't just let them pass. Question 1. How much of your money is working right now while you aren't? Not sitting in a savings account earning almost nothing. Actually working, growing, compounding. What is that number? Question 2. What does one more year of waiting actually cost you? Not in motivation, in real money, in real-time compounding can never get back. These questions are not here to scare you. They're here to show you something clearly. The best time to start was last year. The second best time is right now, and right now is still here. Now watch how everything connects. In part 1, you met 4 moves. Earn, keep, grow, protect. And right now, right here, investing is what transforms grow from a word into a force. Earn gives you the raw material. Keep gives you something to work with. Grow, through investing, turns that something into momentum that never stops. Protect makes sure that momentum survives whatever life throws at it. It's not 4 separate steps anymore. It's one engine, and you are the one who built it. Notice something right now. You came into this video believing investing was complicated, or that it wasn't for you yet, or that you'd figure it out later when you had more. And right now, You understand what compounding actually does. You understand why the silence after your first investment is not emptiness. You understand why staying in on the quiet days is the real strategy. You understand that Tuesday morning isn't a dream, it's a destination. That is not a small shift. That is the shift that changes what you do tomorrow morning. Remember that moment at the very beginning? You just invested for the first time, staring at the screen, waiting for something to happen. And nothing did. Now you know what was actually happening inside that silence. Time was starting. Compounding was beginning its quiet work. Your Tuesday morning was being funded, one still number at a time. Nothing looked different, but everything had changed, and if investing finally makes sense to you right now, someone in your life is still scared of that silence, still waiting until she knows enough, still waiting until she has enough. Share this with her, because the sooner she starts, the more time she has on her side. And time is the one thing that cannot be replaced.